Small Robot Company is an agricultural robotic company focused on per-plant precision farming. We use artificial intelligence to identify exactly where the weeds are in a field, and then we can precisely deal with them exactly how we want. If it's a good weed, we can leave it. If it's a bad weed, we can get rid of it with electricity. We put a high voltage through the weed, which destroys the weed and the root. To do that, we need some really high-tech, high-precision, reliable equipment, and this is why we chose igus. And there were many technological advantages of using igus.
The igus dried-in delta robot is usually found in packaging lines, in automotive production lines, in factory environments in the UK and in other countries. And it's really interesting to see this application here on this agricultural machine. Igus motion plastics have been used in the agricultural industry for decades. They don't require any lubrication, so they run without grease or without oil. And these same polymer products are used in all the moving parts of the dried-in delta system. This means that it's well suited to this environment. The Small Robot Company have used this for many hours in the field trials. It's been covered with dirt and dust. It's been operating in rocky environments. It's proved its durability. It's a very tough product. It has demonstrated its strength.
The whole mechanism is incredibly robust. As we've been prototyping, we've jammed the arms into concrete, stones and everything, and so far we've not actually managed to break anything yet, which has been absolutely fantastic, much to our surprise.
It's also at a very low price point, and that's going to be especially important when the small robot companies scale up and start producing hundreds and thousands, maybe even hundreds of thousands of these robots. And then the price point of the Delta robot allows it to be used at these high volume applications. It's also a lightweight product, and that helps to reduce the mass burden of these robots as they're travelling across the fields.
It's one thing to have the technology,
yeah,
completely different kettle of fish to have the affordable technology.
Exactly.
I'm still fascinated that, off-the-shelf product from igus in the form of these Delta robots, coupled with the application of electricity to kill each individual weed, is just fantastic.
You don't need too many farms to take it on
No.
to start to get into hundreds of Delta robots.
I think when you look at some of the farming problems at the moment, the challenge is the cost of herbicides, the decreasing effectiveness of herbicides, needs a new approach. This zapping them with electricity, driven by those little robot arm probes. Fantastic application, great for farming, and the use of the igus robots, because they are low cost, highly durable, great for these conditions, perfect application.
It's a really robust system designed to work in agricultural conditions, so dust, rain. We've not had to worry about that at all. We've not had any wear problems with it so far, and we foresee that that's going to be really good for us in the future.
So we're looking forward to working with the Small Robot Company on all of the new technologies and machines that they're developing, and there's lots of exciting possibilities ahead.